Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin and it's time for another zodiac video. I feel like I just did one, but now we're in the season of Aquarius. So this is my Aquarius inspired look. To me, an Aquarius is like, well, first of all, let me start out by saying that my fiance is actually an Aquarius. You guys have seen him in previous videos. My boyfriend does my makeup videos, those kind of thing. He's Aquarius, so I like Aquariuses clearly. Aquarius is somebody who is very popular, but also secluded. Like, everyone loves Aquarius because they're very open-minded, very intelligent, very business-oriented. Like, they're creative, very creative, but they also focus on the whole business aspect of everything, like inventive, creative, goal-driven, that kind of thing. And they're also very secluded in the sense that everybody may like them, but they don't really like that many people. They're never like mean to people, but they're just not very open with everyone. They're very secluded, like tight-knit group of friends. If you have an Aquarius friend, count yourself lucky because they don't socialize with that many people. They are very outgoing in the sense that they'll be nice to you, they'll talk to you, they'll hang out with you, but when they need somebody, they're not going to go to you. They're very, very independent and they don't really rely on everyone or anyone for that matter. If you have an Aquarius to ask you for help, know that they really need help. I really like Aquariuses. My best friend growing up was an Aquarius. One of my other close friends is Aquarius. My little brother's an Aquarius. I have a lot of Aquariuses in my life. They're also very, very unpredictable. Like, you think you have an Aquarius figured out, but then they're gonna do something totally off the wall that you're like, what are you doing? They can be very, very anxious people. I feel like they get in their heads a lot, and they're very disconnected is the only word I know how to say, in the sense that, like, you might have a lot of these feelings. I'm a Pisces, so I have a lot of feelings, and I might project that to the Aquarius, and the Aquarius doesn't necessarily know how to deal with that. They will definitely try. They will help you for sure, but to them, they're kind of just like, not my problem kind of people, but they definitely won't ever tell you that, and they will definitely be there for you. They're just not going to fully be empathetic in the sense of the word. Not in a bad way. It's just something that, like, an Aquarius isn't somebody who's really good at putting themselves in your shoes unless they've already lived that or had a similar experience. Color-wise, an Aquarius and color. I feel like Aquarius people are just so many different colors. Like, I could see them being yellow, I could see them being pink, I could see them being red, but the color I chose is definitely blue. That's the traditional Aquarius color. To me, that just screams Aquarius. That's calm, but it's also, like, blue to me is an ocean. It can be very calm, very very still, but it can also be a tsunami. And to me, that's an Aquarius. Like, you don't really know what you're gonna get with an Aquarius. It's kind of this way one way, and then the next day it's a different way. But that is what makes them so much fun, and I really like Aquariuses. So this is the look I came up with for an Aquarius. Very blue eye, very neutral lip, really nice highlight, and yeah, I feel like I kind of got a little speck there from my setting spray. But if you guys like this look or you want to see what I think an Aquarius would do for their makeup routine, then just keep watching this video and comment down below what your sign is. And don't forget to like this video if you want to see more installments, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of them. Bye guys.